Hello and welcome to the WolfVision booth at the InfoComm show 2026, where we also present our new Cynap Pure that we have shown the first time beginning of this year as a new model, or the Cynap Pure next generation. This device is powered with PoE Plus for the first time of a WolfVision Cynap device family and comes with a passive cooled housing which makes it very quiet and no fan is running. The Cynap Pure also has a dual screen setup, and both screens can be used as a touch screen. Of course, if you want, it's just one screen for smaller applications or two screens for bigger applications. Within using feature packs or software packages that can be applied to the Pure, you can adapt the features on the device as well as a possible HDMI input to the needs of your installation. Comes with a documented media player, a browser, or network drive integrations to enhance the solution that you need in the meeting room or in your classroom or presentation scenario. If you want to have more information, please visit us on our website wolfvision.com or at the booth at the InfoComm show 2026.